Good morning everyone, afternoon, evening, good night, or whatever you are, wherever you are, welcome back again. So like I said in a previous video, I'm trying to make some short ones. I had some videos recorded. One was a Euro 6 LF with a turbo pressure fault, but I'm waiting for bits for that. And I also have a DAF CF, an older one with a door lock faulty, so pre-recorded that, but we're just waiting on bits. That's the problem. I've pre-looked at things and then recorded it, and then obviously there's no point in me putting it out until I've got bits, so they'll be on the back burner. They'll be short little videos hopefully, but this one is just this is a Euro 6 CF85. It's just a simple, we've got inspection on it, we've got a panel to sort, and then I've got a DPF that wants replacing. So all I'm going to do is just going to be a quick video on just a simple DAF DPF replacement, like just a serviceable item. So we'll go through that, and then obviously with the gel test we'll go through like resetting soot levels and all that sort of thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you're all keeping well, and I'll see you in a bit. So we've got the cover off. Remember the Torx bolts, 13mm clamp. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this and then pull it out. I'll try and do it while we're on video. See if I can just chop it around. Do get new gaskets with it. There it is. Just going to move the camera. That's our DPF out. There's a band gasket here, this side of there. There's a band go around. So what do now is clean all that off the DPF, clean all that gasket off, and make sure it's all clean the side as much as I can. Put a new gasket on both sides of the new one and get ready to put that in. So let's get it all cleaned up, ready for the new DPF. So that's all the surface clean. Just use a bit of emery paper, just clean any rough parts, scraper, just getting the old gasket off, make sure it's all clean. I'll clean inside there. So let's go and get the new DPF and get ready to put the new one in. So yeah, but make sure this is all clean for when you put the new gasket on it, everything seats how it should. In the DPF set. There you go. Gasket set. Gasket. New bolts for the cover. And then the bracket. And then obviously the 2 gaskets for the DPF. Here's our DPF. Nice shiny one, so I'm gonna get these gaskets put on, get everything set up to put the new one. The only thing I will say, I don't know whether everyone else does it, but this gasket's fine for going on, but this one here, we normally just sort of get like a rubber mallet or something and just tap round it, because it can be quite tight going in there. So put that one on, put this one on, just give it a tap, flatten it a tiny little bit, don't go fucking mad with it, right, but just flatten it so it slides back in nicely. So let's get all these gaskets on and then get this new DP. So shut down a little bit. Make sure this gasket all lined up, bring it a bit close so you can see. So, shouldn't need a lot of effort, as long as it's all clean. Should. So we have 2 gaskets, one for inside, one that goes outside there, clamp, and then we have, oh, I can grab it, there's your cover, so you can see where the old gasket's been. I'm going to get that cleaned up quickly and then we'll bang it on and get the clamp on. Now we've got our gaskets on sealed nicely all the way around. We're going to get our new clamp. Just remember as well, when you put this cover on, the arrows will be pointing up. Just make sure the arrows are pointing up for when the cover goes on. So, get that on there. To you about the little things. Just going to put new Torx bolts in it. Bolt it up, and then we'll get the cover on. So here's our cover. It goes on that way. And put it in. Line up the Torx screws, turn it, go in the middle, and that's your cover on. So simple, really. So I'm gonna get this bolted up. We'll get the wing on, and then we'll plug jowl testing and do all the reset and everything. So we've got our DPF in, we're going to do the serviceable side of it. So we're going to go into DAF CF Euro 6 on this one. Exhaust treatment system, we're going to go into particulate filter replacement, new diesel particulate filter installation. And we're going to tick that. Tick that again. Engine off key, yeah, park brakes all done. And it's as simple as that. So quite easy. Nice easy job for this. So we need to turn that ignition off. So I'm going to finish this a little bit, start a little timer, we'll do all that, and we'll wrap this video up then. So thank you for joining me for this another video. Hopefully it's not too much of a long video, and hopefully you learned something from it. Nice, simple, serviceable, easy job. All you'll need kit wise is 15mm to take off the wing bolts, the drop wing bolts, take the wing off, drop wing off. Torx bolts, I think they're T30 for the cover. Take that, twist it and take that off. 13mm for the clamp, and obviously knock it off, put the new one in, and then just the reverse of that. So, and then obviously a computer for resetting, that's saying it's had a new DPF in it, so which is more for the serviceable side. So I hope this was beneficial for you. Thank you all again for the support. If you could like, comment, subscribe, and tick that bell in the corner, that'd be even better, and I'd really appreciate it. So I hope you're all having a great week, and hopefully I can see you all again very soon. Take care.